Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to see a Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. So who are new to DevOps, these guidelines will help you for the understanding Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. First you will understand what is a Jenkins and what is the CI/CD pipeline, and later we can see for one practical section and with a simple example. So first we'll get into for the understand CI/CD pipeline. So what is a CI/CD pipeline? So CI/CD. So CI is an integration. CD is a continuous delivery and continuous deployment. So CI means so automatically build and test code changes. So who are working developer, they will commit the code. The Jenkins will pull the code from the automation server, and it will be do for the build and test, and it will be notifying to developer. So if there is any bug fix, the developer will be doing the first fix and they'll update it later. And CI and continuous delivery and deployment. So after committing the code, Jenkins automatically pull the code and it will be do for the build and test and scanning, and other it will be do for the dev environment, that is will do for the continuous delivery, continuous deployment. So this kind of we can call the production. Mm, After everything that integration and delivery part has been completed, the team will decide to this code is perfect, it will go for the production. So after manual approval, it will be deploying into production environment. So that is for continuous deployment. So why in this DevOps platform CI/CD is very important. So so using CI/CD, we can able to identify early bug fix detection, fast release, and automation reduce small manual error. Earliest they will use for the waterfall methodology. It will take time to release the code everything. So and also it will be too difficult to get the fix detection. So hence the client will not wait for a long time. So uh, now it comes to picture for agile methodology, and the automation tool will help you for the fast release for the our client. So moving to next, what is the Jenkins? So Jenkins is a open source tool. So that will be written for Java's and used for the CI/CD pipeline mainly for the Jenkins servers. So it's been supported for the 1,000 plugins. So plugins in this means plugin is for extra packages that we are going to see the later. And we can understand for the Jenkins architect. So Jenkins master control machine agent is a node. So Jenkins, whatever we are installing Jenkins, that is a master server. Okay, so whatever we are doing the job or jobs running is a master only. So in few of companies would look for the jobs will be allocated for agent node. Agent is for different server. Yeah, the Jenkins master and agent, using plugin we can configure the master level concept, and whatever we are running the jobs, that will be allocated for agent nodes only. The jobs will up and running in agents only. And free request for in order to work with for CI/CD in Jenkins, we require for the basic Linux command and git basics, and you need to know the some Javas. So that is for small basics only. And how to install Jenkins. So already I have made a video about how to install Jenkins in a Linux, Windows, everything. So I'll leave the link in description. You can check out from there. And now onwards, so already I have installed Jenkins. It's up and running now. This is for localhost 8080. This 8080 is for Jenkins default port number. So already is up and running here. So mine. So already I have logged in over here, and now we are going to do for practical section that will make for a small pipeline. So new here is steps available, new item, manage Jenkins, build history, everything. We'll look at it now. um, Installing important plugins. So already I have been installed for Git pipeline and GitHub integration, everything. So now we'll go on for practical section here. So this is a sample pipelines that we are going to see now. uh, this structure is for declarative pipeline, that is a structure way that we are going to see our jobs running up and running. um, Moving to practical, so I'm just going to my Jenkins servers already have installed. So now I'm selecting for new item, and I'm going to do for the pipeline. So I'll give name for the pipeline name, that's mean job name, first pipeline, select OK. So this is our job configuration part. This is general. We can bring our overview of our jobs, and this is for GitHub project that we can select if you have any URLs that we need to update it over here. Now we are seeing only basic things. So if you want to complete tutorial, you just put it in comment. So I'll make a complete tutorial now. And now we are going to see about updating our sample script. So we can try to over here hello world, or if you wanted to integrate with GitHub and Maven and scripted pipeline, so that we can do it here. You just select for hello world, save it and apply. Build now. So it will be schedule the job here. Our job is up and running. You can able to see our console output here, started by Siva, and this and code changes everything. So our job is up and running. You can see the console output here. So it's been run for workspace first pipeline. Our jobs is running. So this is the output that we are seeing in hello world. Job status is finished. I can see the success now. So in order to check another pipeline, basic pipeline, I'm going to create another pipeline, or you can make edit over here. Update configuration. Update configuration and copy this pipeline. So this is for simply echo pipeline stages. So let me explain here what about the Jenkins pipeline. So this is a declarative pipeline that we are seeing it now. So declarative means it's a structure way. So one after one, this pipeline will be built and do the test and deployment. So I'm just copying this. I'm just copying this and come to here, updated your pipeline. Now we can see the second build number has been started, and also it is for success only. So you can able to see our output console. See, we can see the build application, running test, deployment application, finish and success. So this is what it is our basics pipelines over here. If you want to view so this pipeline, whatever stages that we included, so we can able to see our dashboard here. So that we need to install one plugin over here, and for that I need to go to install plugin. So go to Jenkins, and here you just come here for plugins, just type per view or pipeline view. You just come here for install plugin and just type for the pipeline graphic views. You just come here and type for the pipeline stage view and click install. So it will take a few seconds and it will be install it. It's been installed now, and you need to go to here and click the pipeline, and you can able to see this dashboard built and test and deployment. So now we are successfully installed Jenkins, and we can run it for the one sample pipeline, and we have installed for plugin as well. So in order to see this dashboard, so thanks for watching. If you want to more video and leave the comment, so now I'll make the video for the tutorial for this. Thanks for watching.